Ok. Situer une action dans le futur. It means to locate an action in the future. Futur proche. Near future. Aller plus infinitif. Aller plus infinitif. Infinitif, we said it last time. It's what? It's the verb that is not conjugated, a non-conjugated verb. Now, we have to use the verb aller. The verb aller means to go, but we conjugate it in the present. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Now, the next verb you are putting is supposed to be non-conjugated. Do not conjugate that verb. So, if I say, je vais sortir, sortir means to go out. So, in this case, it becomes I'm going, I will be going, or I will go out. But, tu vas manger, it means you're going to eat. Il va boire, he's going to drink. Elle va prendre, she's going to take. Nous allons demander, we are going to ask. Vous allez dormir, you are going to sleep. Ils vont, elles vont parler, they are going to talk. So I can give a perfect example by saying, je vais prendre le taxi. Means I'm going to take the cab or I'm going to take the taxi. Nous allons prendre le thé. Nous allons prendre le thé will mean we are going to take tea. We are going to take tea. So it's just going with the future, but the near future. Something is going to happen very soon. That's how you say it. Je vais prendre le taxi, nous allons prendre le thé.